Hello students, this question is taken from the test series 9 from the subject power system from the topic symmetrical components and its fault calculations, and it is the linked data question for the question number 53. In the previous question we have calculated the voltage across the grounding resistor for an SLG fault at the terminals. In this question we have to find the value of line to line fault. The voltage of the healthy phase for the system will be, when it is line to line fault, we have to find the value of voltage of the healthy phase. So from it is now line to line fault. So first we will calculate the value of IA1, that is equal to EA1 by X1 equivalent plus X2 equivalent. The value of EA1 is 1 by X1 equivalent is 0.1 and X2 equivalent is 0.08 J. So we'll get the value of IA1 as minus J 5.55. So the value of IF, that is equal to IB, is equal to minus J root 3 times of IA1, where minus J root 3 IA1 is the minus J 5.55. For solving this value, we will get the value of IB as 9.62 per unit. So we know the value of IB. So then the value of voltage VA1 is equal to VA2, that is equal to EA minus IA1 into X1 equivalent. So the value of IA, that is equal to 1 minus of IA1 is minus J 5.55 into X1 equivalent is nothing but J 0.1. After solving this value, we will get the value of VA1 and VA2 as 0.44 volt. So the value of, we have to find the value of VA1 and VA2, then we will find the value of zeroth equivalent reactant, that is VA0 is equal to minus IA0 into ZA0. Here the value of line, the fault is an line to line fault voltage, the value of becomes 0. So the value of VA0 will becomes 0. Then we have to find the value of voltage at the healthy phase, that is VA is equal to VA1 plus VA2 plus VA0, that is VA1 is 0.44 pu and VA2 is also 0.44 pu plus 0. After solving this value, we will get the value of VA at the healthy phase, that is equal to 0.88 per unit, that is which is the option 0.88 per unit, that is option C. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the value of voltage of the healthy phase for the system when it is the fault is occur on line to line. Thank you.